Okay, today I'm going to instruct you on how to properly structure an academic paper. The basic outline you start off with is your introduction, followed by your body paragraphs, and then you end with your conclusion. So, in your introduction, you always want to start off with an attention grabber. Here in this paper, we have what they use background information, but you can also use a quote, a question, or a fact or statistic as long as it's true. So at the end of your introduction, your very last sentence should be what's called your thesis statement. Okay? So here she uses what's called a divided thesis, and she divides this into 3 parts. So she'll be focusing on figures of speech, visual imagery, and symbolism. So, in her first body paragraph, she has figures of speech. Then, in the sentences following her topic sentence, she is going to provide supporting statements as to what types of figures of speech is in the poem that she chose. So then, in body paragraph number 2, we have visual imagery in the topic sentence. Then, more supporting statements that refer back to the types of visual imagery within the poem. Then, in our third body paragraph, we have symbolism. And, again, supporting statements. Then, in our conclusion, you always want to start off by restating your thesis. Here, she restates her thesis within the very first sentence. It's important not to restate your thesis word for word, so you want to rephrase it, but still maintaining the structure that we have the divided thesis here. She still has figures of speech, she still has visual imagery, and symbolism. Then the sentences following, you want to just go ahead and summarize your main points from what was covered in your previous body paragraphs. And that's how you properly structure an academic paper.